you a little bit old for that pink back. What's up, guys? So you're probably wondering what we're doing. I forgot bagels. Drive to the local bakery and get bagels there. What I'm about to show you is a sneak peek of a gender reveal for some really awesome family friends of mine. And then also, if you haven't seen Carpage, you need to go check them out. And without further ado, my bread. Can we go, please? Hello.
Hello. I'm intrigued.
I do a YouTube channel called Beetle, so I was just shooting like a little intro. Alright, back in the Jabberjaw, and now I'm going to show you guys what's going on. Alright guys, so I got to put the gimbal away. It's pissing rain outside. This is very expensive.
Yeah.
It's gonna be cost some money because my time is money, and that's how I feel about it. So please smash that like button, the subscribe if you're new to the channel, and please just everyone have an absolutely fantastic day.
I can't lose, I'ma pass through if I have to. Teach them all like a classroom, If I want it, then I get it. Work hard, don't regret it. Yeah, I said it, Head down, I'm focused, you notice. They notice, show this, mind blowing. Keep going, showing, I'm growing, flowing and coasting. I'm moaning, work hard, play hard, let the party start. Can't lose when I'm giving out bars. Yeah, can't lose when I'm giving out art. Yeah, confused, man, it's just the start. I will not fucking lose.
It'll catch us when we start driving down the road, I'm sure.
Isn't that the turbo one?
No. It's the gas efficient one.
It's a 4-cylinder? Or is it like a 2.5 or something? Jesus. That's how big this 6-cylinder is. Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay.
You ready? Excited, baby?
Are you?
Yeah.
I figured I'd let him get ahead of us so that way he can like get out.
Swear to God, pay my dues, never lost in the views, and I'm not quitting soon. Never stop what I do, I'm the boss in the room. Selling stocks, make a move to the top, coming soon. I can't lose this time. I can't lose this time. Yeah, I can't lose this time.
Oi! Oh, you have a dual thing?
No, I
So guys, so we got the camera here going on, so it's going to give us a view. Camera's waterproof. What you guys are on right now is my phone and the gimbal.
The camera set up on my car. Alright, you have to stand right there. And get the light on too.
Now we're going to set up the GoPro and then we're going to get going. So the show on the road.
Yeah, I'm going to be standing right here and I'll be walking with you. Okay. I'm going to have to slide this out.
Wait. Wait! Wait! Okay, guys.
I'm watching for him.
Ready?
Get ready. He's ready.
Yeah! You're gonna have so much fun. And don't ever hesitate to call me because I'm here to help you, alright?
Yes.
Yes. Oh man. Glitter everywhere. So, oh, good lord. Wow. There's glitter all over the cars. How well did your thing work? How well did it work?
It worked really fucking well. It's all over.
I was gonna wipe the car off, but they were like leaving now, so I was just gonna leave it now. Woo! Look at this. There's blue glitter everywhere. Oh man. Woo!
We didn't even go to a test run. Yeah, no test run.